non-natives or exotics are species that have been introduced to an area outside of their native range as a result of human activity. Zebra and quagga mussels, though not yet found in Lake Powell, are native to Eurasia. They are extremely good water and food filters, removing large amounts of plankton and taking in pollutants which harm the wildlife that eat them. Zebra mussels are present in nearby Lake Mead, Lake Mojave, and Lake Havasu. A program is in place to prevent zebra mussels from spreading to Lake Powell.
I'm Travis Meyer.
And I'm Matthew Ruthermcon.
So we're a group of Vanderbilt students from Vanderbilt University in Nashville, Tennessee, with an organization called Alternative Spring Break. It's a national organization with chapters all across the country at different campuses that send groups of students out to different service organizations all over the country and all over the world during their spring break. So the Vanderbilt chapter itself sends about 440 students to 37 different places. So we're a group that has been to the Glen Canyon National Recreation Area. And so we've been here for the past week doing service and just having a great time, getting to see some beautiful scenery.
There's just like, you can see when she takes up the sample that there's just little plankton in the thing that catches the water, and they're testing for zebra mussel and quagga mussel larvae. Part of the program to try and help keep them out of the lake.
I'm Carolyn Hackbarth, and I'm the laboratory supervisor for the aquatics program. So with this net, it'll be put down like this. There's this end piece is where all the plankton's gonna collect. This is a mesh screen. It's 64 micrometers, so all water can filter out of this area and all this mesh area, so you only collect the plankton in there. Yeah, it will attach to the Asian clam, which is already in the lake. They'll attach to those. They attach to each other. And they're actually filter feeders, so they filter everything in the water. Like, so what we just collected, they'll be filtering that. That's a food source for fish. And then they're also filtering even the bad contaminants through, so they'll like have this high concentration of just like contamination in the mussel, and then some fish will eat it, and then it continues on to the birds will eat the fish. So these animals are getting, you know, sick, and it's not a good thing. Just a chain reaction up the food chain. We're concentrating the samples so we can fit it into this size bottle. And so as you're tapping the edges, the water is coming out through the mesh. And then, yep, you want to try to get everything out. And they're kind of like super microscopic crustaceans. They kind of look like that. And there's like reddish colored ones. And like the common name for those red ones are cyclops. They just have like one eye.
That's cool. Look at this little guy.
And they kind of look like little lobsters.
They died.
Oh, they're not dead yet. They will die.
They're not dead yet?
Oh, no.
They're sinking.
Oh, they all sunk.
But it seems so much more.
They don't swim anymore as soon as they intake that. Attach infrastructure so they can get in intakes at the dam. They can attach to boat motors. The boats will overheat if they're running with the mussels on them. They can attach to buoys, the side of the rock walls, any hard surface. So they're having problems at Mead with the villagers or the mussels attaching to the buoys, and then the buoys are sinking and that type of thing. So there's a continuous maintenance going on.